I vowed at the beginning that I would destroy that house, and every task was an opportunity. I'm not trying to get points now. I'm just on my secondary mission, which is always ongoing. Destroy, dismantle, engulf in flames.
Look out! I care nothing for your cameras!
Look out! Oh, you're gonna use the sandpaper.
Got it. God damn it! I've cut myself. That's my blood now. Oh, wait, he's getting on top of the hutch. He's got a ladder. He's got a ladder and he's trying to get it onto the roof.
There you go. What's that?
Swiss Army knife with a flashlight on.
Why would you bring that onto a TV show? I thought, oh my God, he's going to smash Alex's head.
I was desperate to.